Here's another Instagram page that's doing well. So they only have 1,500 followers, but check out the engagement, 93 likes, 166, 206. Now, the reason why I want to show you this is if we go to their site, and by the way, it looks like they're actually manufacturing their own products, but what I'm going to say still applies. So if you go to their homepage, it looks really good, but there's a lot of things here that you can greatly improve upon. Look down here. See, powered by Squarespace. You can improve on that. Like I was telling you, remove the powered by Shopify on your site. That's one thing you can improve on. Another thing is, when I go to shop, look at how few products there are. And look, some of these products, there's not really even an image for, so that's horrendous. If you click on this, their description, they're listing the features. They're not listing the benefits of the features. That's important. There's no safe, secure checkout badge. So it's things like this that you can improve on from your competitors to absolutely crush them.